The leaves are falling, so it's pumpkin spice latte time, right? I'm a coffee drinker and I have fun with my coffee when I make it at home. I'll stir cinnamon or cardamom into the grounds. Well, my friend Lizzie was recently like, have you ever thought about putting pumpkin spice into the coffee grounds? A light bulb totally went off. Your very own DIY pumpkin spice latte. Just mix some pumpkin spice in with the coffee grounds. Depending on how much you love that pumpkin flavor, that'll determine how much you put in. Experiment, have fun with it. While the coffee is brewing, warm up some milk. To get that latte froth, I put my immersion blender in the milk. Add your pumpkin-y coffee to the milk. Add a little sweetener, I added honey. And there you go. It's that easy. Fall, I'm so glad you've arrived. Who's ready to carve pumpkins? I bet you carve really awesome pumpkins, don't you? You know what else I bet you do awesomely is pressing the subscribe button right there. You did it! Oh my god, I'm so proud of you. Thank you.